Good evening. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights for educational purpose using live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data, as well as analyze Nifty on multiple time frames. And we are also going to frame a view for tomorrow, that is 23rd October, and we will be discussing our stop watch list for tomorrow as well. So let's start with the options open interest data. So for Nifty 29th October weekly expiry, the max pain is currently at 11,700 level. So if market were to expire on 29th October at 11,700 levels, in that scenario option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And if we see the overall open interest data for 29th October weekly expiry, we will see that 2.99 crore shares of calls have been written versus 3.77 crore shares of puts. And if we were to see the overall broad range for the markets, we will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is at 12,000 strike, followed by 12,200 strike. And if we see the highest amount of open interest in puts, then we will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is at 11,700 strike, followed by 11,500 strike. So it gives us a broad range of 11,500 to 12,200 levels on Nifty. And if we were to see how open interest change intraday, then we will see that today around 68.49 lakh shares of calls were written versus 57 lakh shares of puts. And if we see today, highest amount of calls were written in 11,900 strike, followed by 12,000 strike. And in puts, we will see that highest amount of puts were written at 11,800, followed by 11,500. So for the near term, we are currently in the range of 11,800 to 12,000 levels on Nifty. And if we see the daily time frame of Nifty, so yesterday we had an outside candlestick, today we had an inside candlestick, and today was also the weekly expiry, and max pain for this weekly expiry was at 11,900 level, and market has expired around 11,900 levels. So today option writers who were short 11,900 calls and puts, they suffered the least amount of losses as market expired near the max pain. So this is the inside candlestick on daily time frame that we are seeing on Nifty. And if we see the multiple time frame analysis, we will see that market is under control of buyers above 11,364 levels, and on weekly time frame market is under control of buyers above 11,879 levels, and on daily we again had an inside candlestick. So if market were to break out to the upside from this inside candlestick, then we would have a situation of time frame continuity in which market would be trading above its monthly open, weekly open, as well as the daily open. So in that scenario, buyers would be relatively aggressive in lifting the offers. However, if we break down to the downside from this inside candlestick, then we would have a conflict, because only two time frames would be under control of sellers and one time frame would be under control of buyers. So we would have a situation in which there is a conflict among participants. However, we can expect sellers to be relatively more aggressive to the downside if we manage to break today's inside candlestick. As today was an inside candlestick, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. So above 11,896, we can trade towards 11,939 level, which is today's highs, followed by 11,970 level, followed by 12,009 levels potentially on the upside. And on the flip side, below 11,823 levels, we can trade towards 11,792 levels, 11,753 levels, and potentially 11,707 levels. So this also corroborates with the overall open interest range for the markets, that for the near term, that market is in the range of 12,000 level to 11,700 levels. And if we were to analyze our stock watch list for tomorrow, we get the following stocks. These are the stocks which have formed an inside candlestick: and Tata Consumer, UPL, Adani Enterprises, State Bank of India. So this is our stock watch list for tomorrow. So I would summarize once again that Nifty has max pain at 11,700 level for 29th October weekly expiry, and we are broadly trading in a range of 11,500 to 12,200 level, and for the near term we are trading in 12,000 to 11,700 range. And the stock watch list for tomorrow is Tata Consumer, UPL, Adani Enterprises, State Bank of India, and whichever direction markets breaks, if it breaks today's highs, we'll look for buying opportunities, and if it breaks today's lows, we'll look for selling opportunities in all our markets. And I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel, and you can also check out the description for video describing what is Digital Trading Floor and how you can subscribe to this platform for free for 12 months. I would like to thank you all once again for watching.